Hey guys, my name is Rakesh Sahni. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how to set up dependency, Maven and project setup inside your STS. So start with configuring dependency tool Maven in your local. So first we need to download through Maven site, maven.apache. And download this binary zip file. I already configured in my local system, so I will jump directly to computer properties, then advanced system settings, click on environment variable and see Java home path JDK, Maven, Maven path, and also you have to do bin path inside path name. Same thing you have to do inside system variable section. Java home, Maven home, and see. Okay. Now we will check is it working or not. Go to cmd prompt and write ambient minus version. See, Apache Maven is set up successfully in your local environment. So now we have to proceed set up our project. So you have two options. You can download your project through start.spring. So start.spring.io provides you a bootstrapped code like what you need and whatever name you given here. It will create zip file like I will show you example com.devrider project name full stack and add some dependencies Spring Boot, Lombok. Now generate. See the zip file downloaded here. Now you can import this file inside your Spring Boot Spring tool suite. Or second way is you can create same project inside your STS. See, now go to file section, click on Spring Startup Project. See, similar window like the browser provided, it will gives you here. Now put your project name, then group ID, name, description, full stack application using Spring Boot and Angular 9, and then package name. Add dependency. Lombok is a great project library, gives you some special annotation to add your getter setup properties. MySQL jar for connecting MySQL database. Spring Boot Recruiter. It will gives you the health of your project and you can check through a endpoint /health. Add JPA web and REST repository. Next, finish. So it will take few minutes sometimes or few seconds. If you already having your Maven jar files in your local system. So dependencies are downloading. So our package is created. So let's run this project after completion of this downloading. So everything is downloaded. Now let's run. Now it will give you this kind of window. And see why this error gives you. So this error gives you because we didn't configure our database kernel. So till the time we comment this JP dependency, this error arises due to our MySQL connection is not maintained inside this project. So just comment it and save this and runs once again this project. See, Tomcat is started. Our application is successfully started. Now we will check is it working or not. So go to browser and type localhost and port number 80. So our application is working because this URL is giving. We added Spring Boot Actuator to check health monitors. So you can go and check it. Thanks for watching this video. Smash on subscribe button, like button and hard smash on bell icon.